Welcome to this tutorial on configuring integrations and managing member access. Firstly, only users with admin privilege can configure integrations. If you're an admin, start by clicking on the Configurations button in the navbar and then selecting Integrations. Here, you'll find a list of all available integrations. At present, we offer integrations with OpenAI and IBM Watson X. Looking ahead, we plan to expand our list of supported platforms, continually enhancing our capabilities. To add a new integration, click on the New Integration button. The provider can be OpenAI or IBM Watson X. The fields in the configuration depends on the type of integration. Fill all the form details and save. Once your integration is added, it's time to grant access to specific groups. Click on Add Groups button, select the relevant groups and hit Add. With the integration set up and groups given access, click on the profile icon on the navbar and select Member Access. Here, you'll find a listing of the recently added integration. Now, to demonstrate member access, let's log in as a normal user who belongs to a specific group that was given access to the integration. For a user with active user privilege, configurations will not be enabled. Navigate to the Profile button on the navbar and select Member Access. You will notice that the user has access to the integrations as this user belongs to the group that was given access. A user can also have access to multiple integrations. Sometimes, a user can also have multiple integrations from the same provider. In that case, select any one of the credentials that you would like to use in your application and proceed. Now, let's put our integrations to the test. Click on the AI button on the navbar. You will be navigated to the AI page. Accept the terms of service if you are a first-time user of the assistant services in the application. Provide your input in the input field and click Next. Apply the necessary prompt. This is the response generated by Assistant. This confirms that the integration is functioning properly. That wraps up our guide on configuring integrations and selecting member access.